Want to know how to create this kind of professional thumbnails? Don't worry, I got you today. We're going to see how to create this kind of modern professional YouTube thumbnails in Photoshop, so let's get started. Click on New File, and I always take this size for my YouTube thumbnails. Now we have got a blank canvas. Let's bring our subject. To create a black background, click on Adjustment Layer, then select Solid Color. Now let's bring in our grid background. Create a new layer and place the new layer below the subject layer. Select Brush tool. We'll make the opacity 20%, hardness 0, and paint behind the subject to make glowing effect. Repeat the process again. Just change the color to white. Let's make highlights on the subject. Go to Adjustment Layer, select Solid Color, then clip the layer to the subject layer. Change the blend mode to linear dodge. Then inverse the mask by pressing Ctrl-I. Paint with brush tool in the edges of the subject. Repeat the process to add white highlight. Now let's create a text. Now let's add a rectangle, change its color to black. Then change its blending mode to soft light. Let's change our text color and add drop shadow to it. Now insert the money images. Let's add a motion blur to it. Go to Filter, then Blur, then Motion Blur. Copy this layer and place it here. And flip horizontal. Now let's add our money emoji and add outer glow to it. Let's add drop shadow to the money image and adjust our text. And our thumbnail is ready.